Welcome guys, this is Shrikant here. In this video I am going to show you how to create nested list view in Flutter. Here is a glimpse of the nested list view which we are going to create. You can see there are 3 different list views inside another list view. So let's get started with the coding. Let me create a stateless widget. My app. Resolve the issues. Add void main. Change this to material app. Define home. Create my home page as a stateless widget. Change this to scaffold. Add app bar. Add title. Let's run this and see the output now. Now the app is running. Create a body. Assign list view. List view take a list of widgets. Within list view create another list view. List view take children of widgets. So instead of defining a list of widgets here, what I am going to do is I am going to create a function which returns widgets. List of widget return a list. List is going to contain icons. So we have some list of items. At this point, even if you save your app, you won't be able to see anything. If you scroll through the errors, you won't be able to get much information as well. But since I am aware of what is the issue, I am going to add the list view into container and then define a height for it. And now you can see some items are being shown on the screen, but we want these items to be there in horizontal direction. So I'm going to go here and then you can see the items are showing in horizontal direction. So now let me copy paste this same code again and again, and you can see the same page is having 3 list views. If I add more icons, and you can see the icons are populated horizontally. Now we have made icons slightly bigger. You can see they are scrolling horizontally. These are 3 different list views nested inside another list view. That's it for this example. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.